Welcome to the Info World Galaxy. Today, 21st November 2022, celebrated as the Day of Fisheries. The goal of World Fisheries Day, which is observed on November 21, is to raise awareness of the essential role that healthy ocean ecosystem play in preserving global fisheries and their sustainable stocks. This day is observed by fishing communities through demonstrations, workshops, public gatherings, cultural plays, exhibits, and musical performance. Global Fisheries Day also examine how to find answers to the increasingly interrelated issues that the world is experiencing in order to preserve the sustainable model of our ocean ecosystem. Aquatic ecosystem is running out of balance. Keep it in the game for long. Practice sustainability on this World Fisheries Day.